Hello, here I am to walk you quickly through kind of the steps of how to make sure that your Blogger post is good to go. Okay, so here I am out of Blogger, and of the multiple posts that I have created for Blogger, I'm going to go to the one that I was working on. So notice I have edit, view, share, and delete. View is going to allow us to preview it. Share, when we're done, we can share it all the way out, and edit, of course, edit whatever it is that we have created. So I'm going to go to edit first, and you'll notice out here I'm just working right along. Title for Blogger goes up here. Okay. You can use any of these settings as you go. We've got font choices here, font size. These are those stylized options, heading, subheading, etc. You can be specific as far as bold, italics, and underline. Font color, highlight color. This is where you insert and insert little breaks. This is where you do right, left align. Number bullet points. This allows you to indent, which is what this little bit right here is. And this, if you copy something from somewhere else and it comes in all goofy, by highlighting the text and clicking on that, do you see how it just reset all of the settings back to their defaults? So I'm going to undo that. You can also spell check out here, which is a really good idea. Note also that you can add labels, so separate any labels by commas. So let's see, I'm going to go end of year, okay, 2016, top 10. Those are my labels, and I'll hit done, and I'll show you what that does in just a second. So when you're all the way done out here, you'll definitely want to preview your work. So I'm going to hit update to save my current work. If I decided that since the last time I saved it really hasn't been awesome, I can always revert back to a previous draft and go back to something before if I've added stuff and messed it up. But I'm saving here now, so I'm going to hit the update button. So it's updated. I'm going to go back in and I'm going to preview my work. And this is what my blog looks like. Note that I'm at the preview page. This is not the URL that you copy for previewing. It says preview here. That's how you avoid it. There's my title. There's my formatted text. There's the image that I included. You'll see that my blog stuff is out there, and there's space to comment down below. So you'll also see that the labels I attached are down below as well. If I had multiple posts, I could search for all things that had to do with one particular label. That's why they're neat to add up over time. Okay, so we're going to go back from preview. I'm going to close out of here. And from here, now we need to save this thing. There are a couple different places that you can copy the link to save this. Again, it's not right here. That doesn't get us to something that's visible. Let me show you the places that you can copy the link that you're going to post to complete this assignment. The first place is the permalink. Click on permalink. It generates an entire long link. Notice that it starts with the name of my blog and then it ends with the title of my post. That's what the title of my post is. So I can just copy that, highlight it, Control C, copy. Okay. That's one place that I could add the permalink. To double check and make sure that it works, go to a new tab, paste it in, see if it brings up your blog spot. Yep, that's what it's supposed to look like, and it's not the preview, it's the whole thing. You can also get it right here. Notice it's the same right there. And you can get it from the dashboard too. So we're going to go back to the dashboard. Yeah, I'm okay with those unsaved changes. And from here, it's a little counterintuitive, but you don't actually use the share button. The share button is only if we have a Google Plus account and you guys don't. So instead, you can get the link from going view from the dashboard. Then again, it shows up the way it's supposed to. And I can copy it from here, copy it, and then I'm going to paste it. Okay, so here we are at Schoology. Go to courses. There's the course. Okay, and we're going to go down to our new folder. It's called blog posts. Open it up. Post a link to your blog here. To make sure it works, I'm going to paste it right here. Paste, there it is, and I can add a title to it right here. All right, hit attach. Link's gonna work. I can get a preview of it. It'll look just like that. And hit post. Looks like I had to type that first. There we go. And there is my completed assignment.